Well, here, guys, I'm working on an extra piece of pipe that I had, and I'm installing the V-van clamp on the pipe first. As you can see, I'm not a professional welder, but I am slowly learning, and my welds are good enough to hold. Might not be good enough to charge someone, but for me, it works. But yeah, guys, as you can see, I'm going around slowly because I don't want to penetrate or burn through. But as you can see, it's 16 gauge steel, and it's mild steel, by the way. And my clamps are also at mild steel, as stainless steel is hard to weld. Here, this is the actual downpipe. I cut some of my downpipe off because where the downpipe ended, it would hit my transmission mount. And this cut does not have to be perfect. As you can see, it's not perfect at all. Then me and my dad here, we took the exhaust. I think this is too big extender, or we opened the exhaust up on the downpipe side a little bit so it can fit tighter. So it'll be a tighter seal, even though I was welding it. So did I really have to do that step? Not really, but it's my first time doing all this stuff, so I want to make sure I don't have to deal with any leaks later on down the road. Here's the finished product on the downpipe. I welded the extender pipe on to the downpipe. Not that bad. Here's the kit from Amazon. It finally came in. Got the V-van. It's my pops.
Porque tienes que mejorar y no te quedes con él y así tan parado.